This just in. You got to say it that way for Ezra. This is the segment where we talk about breaking news. Now, I will never force it in this segment. If there's not something cool going on, I won't share it. But we happen to have a bit of information announced from Meta 4 or 5 days ago that I want to share with you today for all of our Meta advertisers out there. So there was actually a lot to this announcement, but I want to really zoom in on one piece of this that I'm most excited about. And this is something that we actually got to test for one of our clients who is an information business. So any of you out there that have been advertising on Meta the last few years, you know about Advantage Plus. We don't have time to go into what that is or why it necessarily matters, but it is a huge, huge piece of the future of Meta advertising. It's where we are generating a lot of our sales for our clients inside of our Meta accounts. And part of what Meta announced is that they are introducing Advantage Plus, which has traditionally been for e-commerce businesses, for people selling physical products. They are introducing Advantage Plus Leads campaign. This is really exciting for not only all of the businesses out there that do rely on lead generation or the selling or sharing of information. This is also important for all of you e-commerce businesses out there. We really see the future of this space being a hybrid business model. When we analyze our clients that are scaling in the most efficient way with the most momentum, they do not identify as an e-commerce business or an information business or just a service business. They are mixing at least two of those business models. So maybe they traditionally sold physical products, but now they've added information on the front end and or the back of their business in order to increase lifetime value, in order to become more scalable in customer acquisition. And the same works the other way. A lot of information businesses that are now adding things like physical products into the mix that they know their audience would care about. You even have seen us do this at Smart Marketer over the last few years. We used to be a purely information or education business. Now we have a whole agency back into the business where we generate most of our profit. So this hybrid business model is the way to scale moving forward. And it's really exciting that Meta is now leaning in with these Advantage Plus Leads campaign. Have any of you guys beta tested this? What do you guys think about this? It's really funny because when they launched Advantage Plus a few years ago, I remember telling John, my business partner, who I think's here on this live, oh, I can't wait till we can do this for lead generation. Because when you use Advantage Plus, you are opening up access. Think of it like access to Meta's AI side of the algorithm that is allowing you to kind of put your hands up and say, Meta, you have my offer, you have my copy and creatives based off of what you know about consumers on your platform. Go out and find customers, or in this case, go out and find leads. So this doesn't mean that our traditional way of running campaigns or advertising is necessarily changing. This is just opening up an entirely new campaign type for all of us that do lead generation, which should be, hopefully within the next month, every single one of us on this call, right? Every single one of us on this call. It doesn't matter what you're selling. There is always a time to invest in lead generation as a part of your customer journey. So what do you guys think about this update from Meta? There are some other cool things included here that we don't have time to dive into, but my favorite part of this is the Advantage Plus Leads campaign. I believe this means that they're renaming Advantage Plus Shopping to like Advantage Plus Sales. It's getting another name, just FYI. Always changing. We love you, Meta, but the words, the names are always changing. And this is what I'm most excited about here. So this has been the This Just In segment. And we'll always be sharing the breaking news with you during this part of the show.